Hi, welcome to the AllCasesHere. In this video we are going to talk about the 3 best iPad Air 5 screen protectors you can buy on Amazon. Please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for more videos. This list is based on my personal opinion and research and lists them based on quality, features and pricing. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. With its top-of-the-line M1 chipset, upgraded front-facing camera with center stage, and 5G, the new iPad Air 5 is quite impressive. While you've probably already ordered a new case to protect your investment, don't forget to protect that 10.9-inch display from scratches, drops, and scuffs as well. Nobody wants a shattered screen, after all, but finding the right screen protector can be difficult at times. This is where we step in. We've selected some of the best iPad Air 5 screen protectors on the market right now, and they're all right here, whether you prefer a film protector or tempered glass. I have prepared this video guide for the 3 best iPad Air 5 screen protectors, so let's get started. 3:ZAG Invisible Shield Glass. Blue light from tablets, phones, and computers can cause eye strain, but this invisible shield screen protector can help. Its eye-safe layer filters 40% of harmful blue light, which is ideal if you use your tablet for long periods of time. Ion exchange technology makes it 5 times stronger than traditional glass screen protectors. The revolutionary clear print surface treatment disperses the oil from your fingerprints, eliminating smudges on the screen, and the easy apply installation process makes this protector simple to install. It is pricier than some of the other protectors on this list, but we believe it is worthwhile. Our Glass Elite screen protector now includes an eye-safe blue light filter. Traditional glass screen protection is 4 times stronger. This is our most powerful glass screen protection yet. Filters out harmful high-energy visible HEV blue light, which can cause digital eye strain. The eye-safe layer filters harmful blue light while not affecting the color performance of your screen display. Clear Print, an exclusive Glass Elite surface treatment, disperses the oil from your fingertips, making them nearly invisible. No other surface treatment compares. Lifetime limited warranty. We've got you covered. 2:Spigen Tempered Glass. When it comes to durable protective cases for our phones, we all know and trust Spigen, but it turns out its screen protectors are also superior. This multi-layered tempered glass protector has a 9H hardness rating, which protects against scratches caused by metal objects such as keys or knives. An oleophobic coating is also included to repel fingerprints and sweat. Spigen promises crystal clarity and excellent responsiveness when using the Apple Pencil, so you won't even notice this protector is there, thanks to application wings. The hardness of tempered glass is 9H. An innovative auto-alignment tool for simple installation. Spigen iPad Air 5 compatible daily fingerprint resistance with oleophobic coating. Touch responsiveness ensures easy access and no delays. iPad Air 5 Screen Protector 2022 intended for iPad Air 5th generation. iPad Air 4 Screen Protector 2020 intended for iPad Air 4th generation. 11-inch iPad Pro Screen Protector for the iPad Pro 11-inch. 1. ESR Screen Protector. This next ESR tempered glass protector will protect your iPad Air 5 from shattering, cracking, scratches, and scuffs. It is made of tempered glass with a 9H hardness rating, precisely fits the iPad Air 5 and 4, and is 0.3 mm thin. To make installation simple, you get 2 cleaning kits and a handy installation frame with full instructions. This screen protector comes in a pack of 2, so you can have a spare or share one with friends or family. Designed for iPad Air 5th generation, iPad Air 4th generation, and iPad Pro 11 alignment frame and cleaning kit ensure quick and easy bubble-free application every time. Ultra-hard glass resists scratches to protect against key, cable, and pen damage. Only 0.3 mm thick and ultra-transparent to keep your touchscreen responsive and display flawless. Face ID and Pencil are both supported. 2 tempered glass screen protectors, instructions, a mounting frame, and 2 cleaning kits are included. So guys, this was the video about the 3 best iPad Air 5 screen protectors. All the links are given in the description, do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.